Fast decisions, big consequences. These moments can save lives or take them. Stay alert, stay smart. Learn from what really happens on the road. Subscribe to Impact Watch and learn through real road events.
A masterclass in reverse drifting. Too bad the landing spot wasn't part of the plan. Half a second more and he would have started an oops, that was close. Luckily, lightning fast reflexes and pure luck saved. Everyone thought it was a truck. No one expected a surprise fireworks show. Maybe the car was too new. Driver and gas pedal just didn't speak the same language yet. Thankfully, no one was hurt in this unexpected blast. Gentle slide, yet the outcome sparkled all over the road. Gentle slide, yet the outcome sparkled all over the road. Trying to unload, and the ground just gave up. That's a drop the driver won't forget. This delivery guy must have trained with Kung Fu masters. That dodge was elite.
Stopped even while one of the Mustang's tires continued rolling. He called the police, then waited for them to respond so he could show them his dashcam footage. After viewing it, an officer told him he'd email him, also about to get a stern lecture, but not from the police. Jeffrey left a gap when he wasn't required to, yielding the right-of-way that was rightfully his to a driver waiting to turn into a parking lot. Shred was glad the roads were dry and that he'd managed to squeeze past the two SUVs just in the nick of time, especially considering he was driving his son's Honda Civic at the time. He told us he called 911 right away.
forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a dramatic car crash moment. Why is this idiot driving on the wrong side of the road, endangering others? He must be held responsible. Didn't slow down in time when the car in front stopped suddenly. A rear tire burst. The truck lost balance and flipped over because of the high load.
Hang tight. 16 radio, we need a...
The police were waiting for him. He was speeding, and the crash says it all. Only an idiot would try to overtake between two trucks. There was a big crash, but luckily no one got hurt. Don't forget to hit the After the crash, the car flew 20 meters away. What an idiot driver, swerving into the other lane dangerously.
But insurance to the guy trying to support the family is east by Oh. Oh my God. Thank you, God, for protecting me. What the hell is that about? Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Holy
President Obama on the phone with Iranian President Rouhani. It's the first time leaders of the two nations have had direct contact since the Carter administration.
Bạn nói câu that exact same thing. I've got an exactly that. Governor, Gaul's too frightened to lose all the favour and power they've gained in the past to risk any of it now. They squeeze me out. Alliances form against me. You can see it in their...
No!
Man, that's the car ray car.
Oh my god!
I knew that was gonna happen.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just got in the wreck!
Why didn't we get a left turn?
It's outside, it's so annoying.
Bullshit, look at this shit. Oh my god.
Are we gonna stay? Everything Concord.
Oh my, look at him now.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. When we made it, when I had some friends that made it, and they would make it with like cinnamon apple. Oh my god!
Oh Jesus!
Oh, hold on.
Así de impactante fue el choque en el que perdió la vida un automovilista luego de estrellarse contra un árbol. Una cámara de seguridad registró el momento exacto.
Pay stubs, people ready. Well, I can go on my phone, pull up my last pay stub and see what the year to date. Oh Lord, they just had a wreck.